Picture this, a plate piled high with crispy golden brown chicken nuggets. Steam rises, carrying the aroma of savory spices. This simple pleasure, the chicken nugget, has become a staple in kitchens and restaurants worldwide. But have you ever stopped to consider the journey of a chicken nugget from farm to factory to your plate? Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of this ubiquitous food. We'll explore every step of the process, from the raising of the chickens to the moment you take your first satisfying bite. The journey begins on a large-scale poultry farm. Thousands of chickens are raised in climate-controlled barns, their movements restricted. They are fed a specialized diet designed for rapid growth. Once they reach maturity, the chickens are transported to processing plants. Here they are humanely slaughtered and plucked. Machines then debone and separate the meat, readying it for its transformation into nuggets. The chicken meat is ground and combined with a mixture of seasonings, breading and other ingredients. This mixture is then formed into the familiar nugget shape, ready for the next stage cooking. The ingredient list of a chicken nugget might surprise you. While chicken is the star, it shares the stage with a supporting cast of players. Breadcrumbs provide the signature crunch. Spices like salt, pepper and paprika add flavor. Additives and preservatives ensure freshness and texture. Some nuggets even contain milk solids or soy protein. Sauced nuggets introduce additional ingredients, with options ranging from tangy barbecue to sweet and sour. While convenient, it's important to be mindful of the nutritional content. Chicken nuggets can be high in sodium and fat, particularly when deep fried. The true test of a chicken nugget lies in its preparation. The most common method is deep frying, which yields a crispy exterior and juicy interior. However, baking and air frying offer healthier alternatives without sacrificing flavor. Baking requires a bit more time, but results in a satisfyingly crisp nugget. Air frying, on the other hand, uses circulating hot air to mimic the effects of deep frying with significantly less oil. No matter the method, achieving the perfect nugget is an art. The key is to ensure even cooking and avoid over-browning, which can lead to dryness. Section 5. Nuggets on demand, sourcing your golden crunch. Chicken nuggets are readily available, a testament to their popularity. From the bustling aisles of grocery stores to the sizzling counters of fast food restaurants, nuggets have become a staple in our daily lives. Grocery stores offer a wide selection, from frozen bags to refrigerated options. Whether you prefer the convenience of pre-cooked nuggets or the satisfaction of cooking them yourself, there's something for everyone. Fast food chains have made the nugget a cornerstone of their menus, with each brand boasting its unique recipe and dipping sauce. From spicy to sweet, crispy to tender, the variety is endless, catering to every palate. For those seeking convenience, online retailers deliver nuggets straight to your doorstep. With just a few clicks, you can have your favorite brand of nuggets delivered, ensuring you never run out of this beloved snack. The widespread availability of chicken nuggets reflects their appeal across all ages and demographics. From children to adults, everyone enjoys the crispy, golden delight of a well-made nugget. They are a quick and easy meal solution for busy families, a nostalgic treat for adults, and a fun, finger-friendly food for kids. Whether it's a quick lunch, a party snack, or a midnight craving, chicken nuggets fit the bill perfectly. For those who love to cook, making homemade chicken nuggets can be a rewarding experience. Using fresh ingredients, you can create your own version of this classic snack, tailored to your taste preferences. Chicken nuggets also bring people together. They are a popular choice at gatherings, parties and family dinners, fostering a sense of community and shared enjoyment. Around the world, different cultures have their own take on chicken nuggets, adding unique flavors and cooking techniques. This global love for nuggets showcases their versatility and universal appeal. With the growing focus on health and nutrition, many brands now offer healthier versions of chicken nuggets made with organic ingredients, whole grains and lower fat content. This ensures that everyone can enjoy nuggets without compromising on their dietary goals. Ultimately, chicken nuggets have become more than just a snack. They are a versatile food that fits into various lifestyles and dietary preferences. Whether you are looking for a quick meal, a party snack, or a culinary adventure, chicken nuggets are the golden crunch that satisfies all. Section 6. A love affair with convenience, the allure of the nugget. Why are chicken nuggets so popular? It's a question that has intrigued many, from culinary experts to everyday food lovers. The answer lies in their convenience. In today's fast-paced world, people are constantly looking for quick and easy meal solutions. Chicken nuggets fit the bill perfectly. They require minimal preparation and can be cooked in a variety of ways, whether it's baking, frying, or even air frying. Their portability makes them ideal for lunches, snacks, and on-the-go meals. You can pack them in a lunchbox, enjoy them at a picnic, or even have them as a quick snack during a busy day. Beyond convenience, chicken nuggets offer a satisfying flavor profile that appeals to a wide range of palates. The crispy exterior, combined with the tender, juicy chicken inside, creates a delightful contrast in textures. The combination of crispy breading, savory spices, and tender chicken is a winning formula. This flavor profile is not only delicious, but also universally appealing, making chicken nuggets a favorite among both kids and adults. Furthermore, their versatility shines through in their ability to be paired with countless dipping sauces, from classic ketchup to honey mustard to spicy sriracha mayo. Each sauce brings out a different aspect of the nugget's flavor, allowing for endless customization and enjoyment. Whether it's a family gathering, a party with friends, or a simple meal at home, chicken nuggets have a way of bringing people together. Their universal appeal and ease of preparation make them a staple in many households. With so many brands and varieties available in the market, there's a chicken nugget for everyone. From classic recipes to gourmet options, the choices are endless, ensuring that this beloved food remains a favorite for years to come. Beyond the bite, the impact of our food choices. While chicken nuggets offer convenience and taste, it's crucial to acknowledge the broader implications of our food choices. The industrial production of chicken nuggets raises concerns about animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and the use of antibiotics in livestock. As consumers, we have the power to demand more humane and sustainable practices by supporting companies that prioritize animal welfare, reduce their environmental footprint, and use antibiotics responsibly. We can drive positive change within the food industry. The future of the nugget trends and innovations. The humble chicken nugget, a staple in many households and fast food menus, is undergoing a transformation. The world of chicken nuggets is not static. It is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, driven by consumer demands and technological advancements. Food producers are constantly innovating, introducing new flavors, ingredients, and cooking methods. Chefs and food scientists are at the forefront, experimenting with a variety of spices, herbs, and unique ingredients to create nuggets that tantalize the taste buds. Plant-based nuggets, crafted from soy, pea protein, or other meat alternatives, are gaining popularity among vegetarians, vegans, and those seeking to reduce their meat consumption. These alternatives not only cater to dietary preferences, but also address environmental concerns associated with meat production. Gluten-free options cater to individuals with dietary restrictions. For those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, these nuggets provide a safe and delicious alternative, ensuring that everyone can enjoy this beloved snack. Air fryers have revolutionized home cooking, allowing for crispier nuggets with less oil. This method not only makes the nuggets healthier, but also retains their delicious crunch, making them a favorite among health-conscious consumers. As technology advances and consumer preferences evolve, we can expect to see even more creative and sustainable takes on the classic chicken nugget. From lab-grown meat to eco-friendly packaging, the future of chicken nuggets is bright and full of possibilities. The journey of the chicken nugget is a testament to how innovation can transform even the simplest of foods into something extraordinary. Nuggets and nostalgia, a shared culinary experience. Chicken nuggets hold a special place in our culinary landscape. They evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminding us of childhood experiences. The act of dipping a nugget into a favorite sauce transcends generations, connecting us through a simple yet universally enjoyed food. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack or a comforting meal, chicken nuggets have a way of bringing people together. They are a reminder that sometimes the simplest foods can be the most satisfying. A golden invitation. Share your nugget story. The journey of the chicken nugget is a fascinating tale of food production, consumer culture, and the evolution of our palates. As you savor your next nugget, take a moment to appreciate the intricate processes that brought it to your plate. And as you do, I invite you to share your own nugget story. What are your favorite dipping sauces? Do you have a cherished memory associated with this golden treat? Let's continue the conversation and celebrate the humble yet beloved chicken nugget.